breach is here. Critical systems are completely destroyed. All right, thick layer here. Needs a good sweep in the corners too. Almost done. Exceptional, look at that gloss. Perfect contrast. All right, let's see what we've got here. It looks like heavy barnacle growth and some corrosion under here. Definitely need to address these chips. All right, first coat's off. Let's see what we're really up against here. Extensive structural damage. The teak is completely rotten. Can you make it across? I need to be careful, it's unstable. God, this is catastrophic.
How did it get this bad?
Years of neglect, beyond repair. This is far worse than I expected. I'm gonna need more time and resources to fix this.
God, this is gonna be tough. Rotten to the core. Watch out for that dust. Okay, here we go.
Come on, you piece of junk. Oh, this salt is eaten right through it. It's not moving. It's fused solid.
All right, time to tackle this bent railing. Careful now, get a good angle. Sparks are flying, almost through. Looks solid, one more pass.
All right, let's see what's down here. Whoa! Looks like a lot of years of buildup. Extensive barnacle growth here, and the zinc anodes are completely gone. We'll need a full cleaning and replacement. God, this thing is heavy. Oh. Just keep pulling. Oh. Oh. Watch the chandelier. Oh no, it's completely rotted through.
How did we not see this before?
It's worse than we thought, much worse. No play. Try the other side. Still solid. This verdigris is pretty thick.
It's years of buildup.
Yeah, this copper brush should help. Now, to get this valve open. Still stuck. All right, come on, you stubborn thing. Oh, finally. Oh, heavy beast. All right, let's take a look in here.
Oh,
Wow, that's a lot of sludge. Not good. The width is exactly 85.5 centimeters. I'll write that down. That should do it.
Deep within a dilapidated shipyard, where time seemed to have stood still for decades, I found it, a forgotten giant, beneath thick dust and peeling rust, the form of a once luxurious simple yacht, a symbol of wealth, now a solitary ghost. The musty smell of decaying wood mingled with the salty taste of accumulated seawater, creating a gloomy atmosphere where moss had begun to take over the luxurious cabins. But amidst the ruins, I could still hear
Keep it steady, down just a little bit. Okay, got it, hold it there. Now apply the sealant evenly, smoothing it out, looks good. Perfect, not a single blemish. Lowering slowly now, keep it steady, looking good. All right, lowering now, nice and slow. Just gotta hit those holes, easy, easy. There, perfect.
Measure, wrap, secure, perfect fit.
Looks good.
Next section, almost done.
All right, final check's looking good. Pipes and belts are solid. Just need to inspect this joint. And one last look up top. Perfect, ready to go.
Engine's hot. First run success.
The finish is perfect, like a mirror. Yeah, amazing depth and clarity. Yeah, watch the soft close. Flawless. All right, screen's locked in place. Pulling the protection. Powering up now. Let's test the interface. Smooth as glass. Line it up perfectly. Okay, hold steady. Tighten the top one. Almost there. Done. Move to the bottom. Secure now. Release. It's perfect. And that's it. Fully installed and ready for luxury.
The faint beat of a legendary machine waiting to be awakened, the journey of revival began with powerful jets of water, tearing
Slow
apart
and
the
steady,
stubborn
hold that pace.
barnacles clinging to the ship's
Watch the
bottom.
clearance.
Each piece of rust that fell was a layer
Easy
of the
now.
past stripped
Perfect.
away, revealing
Polishing is
holes in the
perfect,
present that
and the
needed
anodes are
patching
secure.
with both
She's ready to
dedication
go.
and top-notch technique. We entered the arduous
Exceptional work,
surgery
foreman.
phase,
All right, let's get
dismantling
this
the
perfectly
engine
set.
blocks. The massive,
Ooh,
oxidized V12 engine was firmly
looks solid.
stuck.
Good to go.
Its opulent roof
Boat is secure. Move it to the pier.
Understood.
Moving the vessel now.
Ensure the rubber gasket is sealed tight. Lock the main hatch. Check the lower hatch. No gaps. Looks secure. All right, perfect. Buoyancy check complete. She's floating free. Success, Captain. Setting a course due east. Full steam ahead. Roger that, Captain. Smooth sailing.
Temperatures are perfect, running smooth, outstanding.
Perfect blend of LED warmth and Twilight's allure. Cheers to a job well done. Chúc mừng! One hole! The system is fully deployed. Smooth operation. All right, perfect angle. Testing now. System initiated. Tension check. Primary engagement confirmed. Secondary systems online. Optimal performance.
Exceptional stability, no vibration whatsoever, solid engineering.
Life raft is
Now
secure
nothing
and
but
ready.
mold and rubble. Every
Checking fire
millimetre
points
of the
now.
hull was hand sanded.
All
Every
systems
layer
meet
of
standards.
epoxy primer sprayed on as
The
if
system is
regenerating
online.
the skin of a new life. When the final coat of snow white paint was polished to a mirror-like shine,
Excellent work.
reflecting the
The
clear
pressure
blue
looks
sky
perfect.
of the
Let's give it a
harbour.
taste.
The ship's heart was brought back to life.
Crisp.
The
Excellent
overhauled
work.
engines roared powerfully, dispelling the silent darkness of the workshop with the sound of pure power. The gleaming rosewood interior. The fresh scent of genuine leather.
Steering hydraulics check. Piston smooth. Oil pressure good. No leaks. System is optimal. Perfect. Okay, here we go. The sound is gone. Perfect. The engine is running perfectly. And the fire suppression system gauges are all green. Absolute safety has been confirmed.
The hydraulic platform is lowering now. I'm going to inspect the drivetrain and propellers. Everything looks perfect.
Perfect. Fish food time, you guys.
Tension is perfect. Proceed with full power.
All right, let's
and the
see.
state-of-the-art satellite navigation systems
Reading looks
transformed
good.
the once dilapidated ship into
Cathodic
a proud
protection is
floating
effective.
villa. The moment
All right,
the hull
old one
touched
out,
the deep
new one
blue
in.
ocean,
Let's see how
a
she
new
runs.
chapter officially
Powerful.
began, pushing
Clear.
the throttle to
Mission
its
accomplished.
maximum. We tore
Test
through the
one
massive
successful.
waves, feeling absolute freedom against the endless horizon. From a pile of scrap
System
metal,
online.
rejected, it
Looks
has
good.
returned to its position as master of the seas, a testament to perseverance and
No
a passion
debris,
for
just a
restoring
shine.
eternal values.
Applying the waterproof grease here
Eternity
to the
is
joints.
more than just
Let's
a
test
name.
them.
It is a journey of rebirth.
Excellent, smooth movement. Wiping away the excess. Test 1, float switch activated. Alarm 1, bilge level critical. Initiating pump sequence. Confirmation received. High flow pump engaged. Engaging thermal navigation. Target acquisition active. MOB, buoy away. Mark position. Executing emergency turn. Buoy sighted. Closing in. Rescue station, this is Seawolf testing satellite connection.
Copy that, Seawolf, loud and clear. Connection confirmed.
Roger that. Signal full, thank you.
Expired September 2025. This one is good.
Engaging generator. Restoring critical systems now. All right, everything looks secure. AED check confirmed. We're ready for anything.
All right, through valves. Lock 1, water stopping. Lock 2, we're secure.